Welcome back, YouTube. It's been a while. I know. If you guys can't tell, I finally got a microphone. It's actually nice weather to ride in now. Right now I'm on my way to school. Gotta go learn for the day. How lame. This is actually, literally, I'm just now on the mic. What the? Oh, what is that? Is that food? There's something back there. I cleaned the bike before I put it away, so I feel like there's probably some animal that put that there.
Oh, it's a bus.
Yeah, today I'm taking a... Watch out, squirrel! Taking a different way to school today. So hopefully I don't get lost. But yeah, first moments back on the bike. I literally just pulled it out of the garage. Feeling pretty good. I've missed this. Oh my gosh. But yeah, I mean, look around, it's nice and green now. The weather's nice, the sun is out. Apparently it's supposed to rain. That's not gonna be fun. I'm hoping the wind noise is like way better than it was before, because that wind noise was terrible. Bro, I didn't even want to watch my own videos. I got bugs all over my visor too. Luckily there's no bugs out right now. It's nice out. It would suck if I lost my microphone, like if it just fell out of my helmet while I was riding. That'd be buns. I gotta put my little thingies away because they're slapping my helmet. I feel like it's gonna make the video really loud. Oh, it's so nice out. I'm not even kidding. Oh my goodness. It's what, 7:46 in the morning. It's so warm. I forgot what it was like to be in warm weather. I've been riding in cold weather lately. Like all of my videos were cold weather. Oh my goodness. Hey, at least I could still downshift. What a weird stop sign. Like, bro. Light work. Dude, these things are so slippery. If you guys ever get a bike, or if you have a bike, you know how slippery these things are. Like, you do not want to like swerve on them at all. Oh my gosh! I did not see that bump. Oh. I gotta lock in, guys. Gotta lock in. Yeah, I have a new clutch and brake coming. That's gonna be nice. I also got some like a guard that I'm gonna put over. It's slapping my helmet again. Get back here. Oh, I can't find it. Where is it? There it is. There you go. Put that away. Wait. Oh, I forgot the speed limit is 60. How nice. Yeah, this helmet is terrible for wind noise, so I wouldn't be surprised if there is a little bit of wind noise. I'm gonna slow it down. I'm getting to school way faster than I wanted to. Got to keep it nice and long. Pause. Oh, and the sun's out. Ah, what a dream. I really need to change my... Oh, look at the dust. Dusty girl. I really need to change my oil. Probably gonna do that. I bought a new oil plug because the one I have right now is stripped. Like, it's rounded. I can't even get it out. So I'm gonna get a bolt that like goes over it and just hammer it on, take it out, and then replace the plug. Ooh. Oh, it's so nice over here. I don't like ever come this way. I think my grandma was wrong. I never come this way. Not I don't ever. There we go. I'm smart. Ooh, a railroad crossing. Yo, it would suck if I got hit by a train. Wouldn't that suck? Like, you're just on your motorcycle cruising and then all of a sudden, meow. I'm kidding, guys. I'm kidding. Oh, that wasn't so bad. I really want to get that out of there, whatever that is. It's kind of bothering me. Oh, what a beautiful day. Yo, am I recording? Oh yeah, I am. Oh, that would have sucked. Do I show the location of school or do I not? What the heck? Why not? It doesn't matter that much, right? There's a deer stand. No way, that's crazy to see in a place like this. I'm kidding. Now, I believe I take a left. I don't have any maps out, no GPS. Just going off of the amazing mindset of a rider. I'm kidding. I'm new, guys, don't judge me. Oh, I get to 60 in third gear. I don't know, that's crazy to me. Like, I was always told that this bike is extremely slow and it'll do 60 in sixth, but nah, you can get to 60 in third. If I'm hitting rev limiter every time, I could probably get to close to 60 in second. I don't know. Oh, going a little fast. My bad. I got some windy bends up here. I feel like I should go slow. I don't have full gear yet, which I will be getting soon. I always see everybody fly around this and it always scares me. Like, on a car it's different. On a bike you could just lean. Like, I'm fine. I'm chilling right here. That's the thumbnail right there. Heck yeah. Oh, it's so nice over here. Thumbnail. Alright, there you go.